Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you who basically codes for the Adhyatma app. Well, it happens to be my dad. Baba, give a smile. And now we will see how he codes. So let us say that we want to add Shri Brahma Chaitanya Maharaj, Gondavlekar Maharaj Pravachan for a certain day. The day is 5th of August. So he takes it from their official website. He puts it on our website where there is date. Now every pravachan has a separate HTML file. Since it is very easy to follow, my parents are a little accustomed in doing it. It goes easier, and even for me, it goes easier. Instead of keeping everything in a JSON and then populating it on a single page and making a single page application, I would normally make a separate HTML for every single page. It goes way easier. And look at how easily I can code for it. See, now summary. Gondavlekar Maharaj's pravachans are on a daily basis. So every day there is one pravachan. So every day the pravachan is going to have a date, a title, and a message at the bottom. The message is to be shown in strong, so strong tag and uh, header 1 and header 2 tags are shown in orange. Rest of them are shown in normal font. And now dad is changing the text. So here, instead of coming soon, he'll be putting the actual pravachan. So he'll be copying it from here. Now he normally clicks on it and goes with a shift, and or look at the way it is being followed. He just clicks on it and goes up using the up arrow. I think a full stop didn't get copied, but let's see if he realizes. Yeah, so at the end there is no full stop. Okay, so now what he has done is he's saying save. So due to saving, the indentation gets corrected, and then he's putting a BR tag everywhere. So for that, he's using Alt Shift Control and bottom arrow key. So the cursor gets elongated, and now when he starts typing, it gets typed on all these lines at the same time. Now to fix the indentation, he'll save it. So he has just saved it. Now, what I was saying is probably there isn't a full stop on the last line. So maybe you can always go to the end of the line by clicking on end key. So if you click on that, okay. Oh, there is. Okay, my bad. I thought there wasn't. Okay, so I guess. Oh, no, 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 wait a minute. Probably this is the second paragraph, the last paragraph. So if you can go to the last paragraph, maybe scroll the same way you were doing. There is the last paragraph. So click on this row. Now click on end button. That's how I navigate. The end button is over there. You didn't click. See, this is where you need to click, and then the end. See, there isn't a full stop over there. So this is nothing but peer development. XP way of project management has this peer development concept. So two developers sit together, one codes and the other only sees how the coding is being done. But you have to check whether it is showing properly or not. So you have already put their Ionic serve, and now he'll navigate to Gondolekar Maharaj's Pravachane, and then it was, I guess, August 5, wasn't it? August 5. And there it is. So feel proud about it. This coding is done by you. Actually, half of the Pravachane of Gondolekar Maharaj have been uploaded by my dad, and many other artis. So he basically writes the corrections in the artis on such papers, and then he corrects them directly over here. So could you please tell me how you would correct, let us say, if there is something wrong in Any one of the artis, pick one of your choice. So let us say Guru Dhava. So if you have to search for the, okay, that is Control P, and he is searching for Guru Dhava.
नहीं
Acha, you are searching for Vijay Grantha. Vijay Grantha, which adhyay?
20.
Adhyay 20. Okay, he'll click on Adhyay 20. Now here, if he wants to correct something, see, he has written over here Adhyay 20. So there are a couple of lines that he needs to correct. He has written the
Done.
line numbers as
26.
well. So line number 26. 26 means the paragraph number 26. They are always written in a group of 4 lines. So they can be called as shlok. So shlok number 26. Okay, so here it should be,
Done.
okay. And then how will he correct it? He'll go to Google input tools. Okay, Marathi input tools. There it is. Now he'll type in English, but it will get printed in Marathi. See? Okay. Now he'll copy it from here. Okay. Now he has gone here, he has pasted it. Ah, but there isn't a space over there. He'll go back and he'll give a space. That's amazing. So that's how basically bug fixing is done. Most of the bug fixing is credited to my parents actually. My mom finds the mistakes sometimes, or my dad finds them, and my dad corrects them. Even mom knows how to code, but uh, you know, uh, usually dad is more enthusiastic about fixing the code. But both of them know how to code. That's more important. The basics at least. Okay, so the only reason why I'm making this video is the new generation should be encouraged to teach their parents the new skills. See, they taught us all the skills of their time. It is our duty to teach the skills of our time to our parents. So within the family, we should train each other. So this is again another second bug that he is solving. Again, the space thing. Yeah, one space needs to be added. Okay, that's done. Now, could you please show how you would commit these changes? So for committing, do you remember? Where do you see the changes? Okay, let him recall. Yes, there are your changes. Here he'll be giving a commit message. Vijay Grantha, or whichever message you like. Corrections. I make it double AY. Adhyay 1 corrections.
There 20.
Adhyay 20. Okay. Yeah, we still give very meaningful commit messages, because these are the development guidelines that should go. Even built-in quality, that is also a guideline that we enforce, at least at our family coding. So this app is more like a hobby development for me and also for my parents. It's not just me who's developing it, it's the entire family. It's their hobby. Now he has committed and he has also synced the changes, and the changes are visible over here. So this is the commit, this is the commit message. Now it is there on the local Git, and it is also there on the cloud Git repo. And now he'll be building the code. So he'll basically build the code and check that live on the website. So for doing that, he has to say SSH, that is secure shell. Now he won't remember the space. Root is the user. @ do you remember the IP of my VPS? Okay, Give it. It's okay, it's not a secret. Or can I pause the video? I'll just pause, or let it be. Let it play. 148. Array, it went away. So once again, type SSH, delete this. Yeah, SSH space root. So this is a root user logging into the VPS with an IP that is at the rate 148.135.136.240. Enter. Now there is a very secret password which I'll type in. Okay, and now you're in. By the way, my dad also knows the password, so it's easy for him also to log in. Now he'll be saying bash, means it's a bash command to run a script, bash, 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 space, deploy, just write D and tab, DP name, फक्त D, tab. Now deploy what? Which project is it? Adhyatma, right? Yes, just tab it out. DH, tab it out. Perfect. Execute it. Execute. Yes, and the command is in. Now this command is going to run, and in 1 minute 45 seconds, as far as we saw, it will pull everything from the Git repo. It will build it on the VPS itself. This is the advantage of having a VPS at your dispense, and then it will install it. That means npm install, and then finally npm build, and whatever is the www, that is the final artifact, it will copy it in the root folder of your website. So all this is given in a single script, and my parents can also run this script because they know the password. Okay, so this is how we code at home. How is your experience overall? Will you like to share something?
छान वाटते करायला,
शिकावं
मजा
आहे ना?
येते, शिकायला चांगलं वाटते, करायला चांगलं वाटतं, छान मजा येते. आणि आपला अध्यात्म आपला आवडीचा विषय आहे.
Okay, so thanks a lot.
ओके,
Most of the coding is done by my family, as a family. So all of us have coded together. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.